Before disconnecting the cylinder from the pressure reducer coupling, ensure that the cylinder valve is fully closed. Push in and rotate the cylinder valve handwheel clockwise and completely close the cylinder valve. Open the purge valve knob to bleed the residual air pressure from the system. As the remote pressure gauge falls into the red empty zone, the integral whistle EOSD will alarm one final time. When the pressure is completely bled from the system, the whistle will stop. When the airflow has stopped, fully close the purge valve knob. Unthread the reducer coupling from the cylinder valve by turning it counterclockwise. To release the cylinder retention strap, lift the strap end and separate the hook and loop fastener holding the strap down. Pull some strap through the strap slider and remove the cylinder from the back frame. Inspect the high-pressure coupling on the pressure reducer to verify that the coupling gasket is present and undamaged. If the coupling gasket is missing or damaged, remove the respirator from service and tag it for repair by authorized personnel. Use only cylinders that are approved for use with the ACSi and that have the correct rated pressure for the respirator. The ACSi SCBA respirator is approved for use with both the 90-degree right-angle cylinder valve assembly as well as the more common 150-degree cylinder valve assembly found on all other 3M Scott industrial and firefighting SCBA respirators equipped with a CGA threaded cylinder valve fitting. Note, the ACSi 90-degree right-angle cylinder valve assembly cannot be used and is not NIOSH approved on other industrial and firefighting SCBA respirators that currently use the 150-degree CGA threaded cylinder valve assembly. Replacement cylinders should be inspected according to the pre-use inspection procedures. Visually inspect the cylinder and valve per the user instructions and pre-use inspection video for any abnormalities. Check that the new cylinder valve gauge registers full. Check the cylinder hydrostatic test date to ensure it is current. The date of manufacture marked on the cylinder is also the date of the first hydrostatic test. Note, cylinders must be hydrostatically tested every 5 years. If there are any discrepancies, remove the cylinder from service and tag it for repair by authorized personnel. Slide the cylinder up under the retention strap. Position the full cylinder on the back frame and fit the cylinder valve into the pressure reducer coupling. Rotate the coupling clockwise to tighten. Hand tighten only. Use no tools. When the cylinder is tight against the back frame, secure the hook and loop fastener on the strap end against the strap on the cylinder. The user should be unable to move the retention strap up and down on the cylinder with their fingers when the hook and loop fastener is engaged. If any discrepancies or malfunctions are noted during the inspection, do not use the respirator. Remove the respirator from service and tag it for repair by authorized personnel.